L3D is an advanced lighting system for large areas patented by Canaled L3D. It consists of a succession of lighting elements that form a continuous line of light up to 120 meters long with just a single connection required at one end. Among its many advantages, we highlight the energy saving. With an illumination level equivalent to 2 continuous T8 fluorescent tubes, L3D saves more than 60% energy. Also, the time of installation is reduced by 1/3 because L3D already includes as standard the necessary wiring, not requiring any prior electrical installation. Its high technology components give the system a long and maintenance-free life. L3D includes an emergency lighting circuit as standard, which to be activated only needs the addition of some optional devices. The Canaled L3D system also offers intelligent power management features. There are optional devices like ambience light sensors, motion detectors, or timers that allow light intensity control, which can reduce consumption even more. L3D consists of straight 2 and 3 meters long lighting elements, available in 3 types of optics. Wide photometry that distributes the light in an open angle. Narrow photometry that concentrates all the light in the center for high ceilings. Opal diffuser that offers a more homogeneous light for different applications. Canaled L3D offers several optional modules that can be connected at the joints and allowing for the feeding of auxiliary lights, connecting the emergency lights device, or regulating the intensity of the whole light line. With an installation time 65% shorter than usual, optimal energy saving, and zero maintenance, Canaled L3D is able to bring today the lighting technology of the future.